Hey loves, I hope you look good. I just got back from work and I came back home to some packages. We have a little bit of everything from Zara H&M Coupang. Also have a very special unboxing. I will do this one at the end. Anyways, we're going to start with Coupang. Yeah, so Coupang is first. I've already just opened the bags just to make things easier for myself. I ordered thermal socks from Coupang. It is winter in Korea currently and it is getting excruciatingly cold. So I have some thermal socks. I got them in different colors. Yeah, let me just show you the gray pair. So they just look like normal socks on the outside, and then they have like this warm inner layer to keep my feet warm. Up next we have H&M. So I got this light brown top. The original price for these is 30,000. I'm going to insert the sale price on the screen because I don't remember, but these tops, guys, it's basically the same top in different colors. Deep chocolate brown, which is absolutely stunning. I am so in love with chocolate brown this season. I am so excited about this item. I do have to say though that I received this package yesterday and I opened it and tried it on because I wanted to make sure that it fits me and I don't need to return it and all of that stuff. But oh guys, I ordered a black coat, a black winter coat from Zara, and I need to open it where the fur is. Just a sneak peek. This coat is part of the wool collection. It is 50% cotton and then I think 35% polyester and other materials as well. So yeah, and then it cinches in at the waist. I'm going to insert a picture of how it looks on the model on the website, but I will also be wearing it this weekend, so you loves are going to see how it looks on me. But Sana, oh, it looks absolutely stunning on me. So yeah, this is the coat. Oh, it's so beautiful and it's nice and heavy, which is what I like. It's nice and heavy and just hopefully it keeps me warm because the Korean winter is very brutal. It's so long, and then it has 2 buttons. And last but not least, we have a Coach bag. Listen, I'm so excited about this item. Anyways, I bought myself a push gift for pushing through life and not giving up on myself. And this is the push gift. And I also owed myself a Coach bag. If you watched my birthday vlog, you would have seen that I wanted to gift myself a Coach bag for my birthday, but I did not find the bag that I wanted. I bought this bag a month ago. I haven't worn it. It's just been sitting in my house. So yeah, we're going to unbox together. It comes in this dust bag. Standard procedure. Very cute. Drum rolls. Ah! I am literally a Coach mom. Like, I'm a Coach mom. Loves, how gorgeous is this bag? How beautiful is the color? I also want to get this part stamped with my initials. It comes with this short strap, and it also comes with this long strap if I want to wear it as a crossover. Let's open it. So this is how the bag looks like on the inside. So since this is a mini bag, when I was buying it in store, I made sure to put my phone in here just to make sure that my phone fits and the bag is still practical, you know, because I don't want to buy a bag and I can't even fit my phone inside. That would be pointless. When I bought this bag, I received a 10% discount and another discount. I can't remember, but I think I got like 3 discounts. So I ended up paying 100,000 won less than the original price that I was supposed to pay. So yeah, what do we think about her? She is just such a beauty. She is just absolutely stunning. What a gorgeous bag. I am so in love. That is all for the haul, and before I say my goodnights to you loves, I just want to say thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. I know that we hit this milestone while I was away. In fact, I've been away for about 5 months now. 4 or 5 months, I'm not even sure, which is so embarrassing. But anyways, I am well. I feel like myself again, because I was in a really dark place, but I pulled myself out of it. Hence why I said I got this bag for myself as a push gift for not giving up on myself, and I'm so proud that I did not give up on myself. Anyways, as a tribute to the 1,000 subscribers, I am going to do Q&A. So if you loves have any like questions that you've been dying to ask me, or things maybe that you feel like I haven't revealed about myself, please don't hesitate. Drop the comments down in the comment section and I will answer them in the next video for you loves. I am so excited for the growth. Let's continue to watch, engage, like and share. I'm so happy that our little community is growing. Let's continue to grow. Next milestone is definitely 2,000 subscribers, and then from there 3, 4, 5 and infinity. So let's continue to grow. I'm so excited to be back. Yeah, so oh yes, and before I actually end this video, can we talk about just how disappointing Coach packaging is here in South Korea? Okay, I've seen people's unboxings on TikTok, like from other countries, and obviously a bag does come in a dust bag, but in Korea they literally just throw the dust bag in this shopping bag, which is kind of disappointing because the dust bag is supposed to go in a box, right, before it goes in this. I don't know. Hey, I really don't know, because this is supposed to be an entry-level luxury brand, but the packaging is giving it's kind of underwhelming. So they need to add the box, please. We want the box. Anyways loves, have a great night. I will see you soon. Bye. Hey loves, it is midnight and I am in Seoul. I actually just arrived. I'm here to visit Yvette, obviously. Anyways, my train is about to arrive. I'm going to take a train because I couldn't get a taxi. Yeah, my train is actually here.
What the dog do?
My connecting subway is actually arriving now. Time now is 12:50 and I am walking to Yvette's place. It's about a 5-minute walk, so I will be there in no time. Luckily it's not cold actually, even though it snowed yesterday. It's not cold, maybe because all of the snow has been cleared from the sidewalks. I'm so tired. I was at work today and then when I got back home I had to finish packing, get on a 3-hour bus. Yeah, living fast sucks when it comes to traveling, but I'm glad I'm finally in Seoul. I can rest when I get to Yvette's house. So loves, I finally arrived at Yvette's apartment. I will talk to you all tomorrow because there's no elevator in this apartment building and I need to go up a few flights of stairs and carry this big suitcase. So yeah, see you all tomorrow morning. Hey loves, good day. So I am going to Gangnam now. I'm finally done getting ready. I'm going to Gangnam. I'm going to meet up with Yvette. She actually left ahead of me because she had some errands to run, but we really don't have like much of a plan on what we're going to do today. Yeah, so as I was saying, we don't have a plan on what we're going to do today, but I'm going to buy a vlogging camera. I'm going to buy a DJI for myself. I'm so excited, like wow, so proud of myself. Anyways, I'm at the subway station now to get a train. I am currently waiting for the transfer train because I missed it. There is so much traffic today. There's so many people. We were literally packed in the subway like a can of sardines. Like, I kid you not. We were standing shoulder to shoulder, back to back, like face to face. Yeah, anyways, I only need to ride one stop, then I'll be in Gangnam. And then, yeah, we will go about the evening. How cute, guys, do I look? Oh my goodness, I need to show you all my outfit because this coat, the coat is the outfit, everything else is just so basic. The coat is the look. Yeah, and the face, of course. This is my outfit. My coat is from Zara, bag is Coach, shoes are Charles & Keith. And then these are from Daiso.
Itinwele sisi bonga khalelo ukuzilungisa.
I tried.
Hayibo.
I tried. Ngoba desizinde. I'll take extra small. I'll take extra small jackets. I guess I'll just have to order it online. There's no extra small in the jacket, so I'll just buy it online. I fixed the hair, Yvette. Viral jacket. They have it in stock here. It's so pretty. I have so many black jackets. If only they had like a brown version, I would have bought it. Because it's so pretty. Apparently like it's a dupe of some famous brand. I'm not sure if it's Prada or something. But yeah, it's trending. It's so pretty. So I'm in the fitting room right now. And I'm trying on the black jeans that I want to buy black jeans. I don't have a black pair, so these are the jeans. I am so in love. I love the fit, I love the length. So I'm only taking these black jeans. I've decided to leave the black, the brown tracksuit pants. I'm just gonna order both the jacket and the pants online because they're still sizes anyways. I am so hungry. We're gonna go to Five Guys. I'm craving a Five Guys burger, so yeah. Ooh, this is so beautiful. I love these jeans so much, and they are not too long also. That's one thing that I love. This is what I'm getting. Yeah, size 32 by the way. So yeah, let's go. This Zara has such beautiful pieces. So yeah, Yvette is right behind me.
What the dog doing?
There was no way I was gonna walk past Charles and Keith and not walk in. This is my favorite store after all. Let me show. My girl's skin is gonna be glowing. Jake Sasa Lokoksayo. Look out for her collab video on TikTok. She went to a skin clinic and got like some procedures done on her face. So she'll be glowing very soon. Oh, and I also got my nails done, by the way. How cute is this color? Oh, child, how cute. Okay, and then a straw. And I got a cheeseburger with all the toppings. Also, if you haven't tried Five Guys, I'm judging it because it has like the best burgers. It's American style. It's one of the world's. Eating, I'm so stuffed. Now we're going to ABC Mart. It's on the other side of the road. Sana, I wanted these, but inani, just, and I thought they were on sale. I saw on the website that they are almost like 70% off, but not here. No longer getting the Uggs. I had seen on the Ugg website that they were 70% off, but clearly at ABC Mart they are not on sale. So I'll just order them from the website onto the next store. We are at Daiso now. This is what I'm getting. I'm getting this sheet mask and this protein bond treatment that Yvette swears by. She swears this is the holy grail. This is what she's getting.
I need
A mask.
No, I have a mask. I need eternal plan.
Ah.
Like this thing that
Also, you can replace them.
yeah, I need to wash. I don't know if I'm supposed to.
We're waiting for a bus. Yeah. Just about to get drunk. Yes. Oh, I'm wondering about this place that goes at 7. So from here, we're going to Network. Yes. Yes, baby.
Right now, waiting for the cocktails. We're just about to get drunk. Yes. Oh, I'm wondering about the space. They close at 7. So
Imagine.
from here we go into network.
Yes, why
Yes,
not?
Baba. Why?
If you don't know that video, you are too young. You are a 2K and younger if you don't know that video. Yes! Yes, baby! This is the camera that I'm getting. I'm gonna get the whole kit. This is the whole kit, Kesana. I am so excited! Yay! Yay, Yvette! Yay! Clock it! These camera settings are so nice. It's not clear on the vlog, but the camera settings are absolutely stunning. The goods are secured. We have the camera! Yay! Happy 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for
The support.
yes, thank you so much for the support and for subscribing. And as a gift to us and our growing community, we have a camera. Yay!
Well done, loves.
Well done, loves. I'm so proud of us.
Too strong and very effective.
I got myself some ice cream. Love Struck Strawberry, my favorite flavor from Baskin Robbins. Because I'm craving ice cream. It's so cold, but I'm craving ice cream. Yeah. And then we also got some mochis. We're going to try them when we get to the house. Cheers. Good afternoon, loves. It is Sunday. And it's departure day. I'm going back to the countryside. I'm going back to the village. Bored. But anyways, before we head out, we're going to try these Baskin Robbins mochi ice creams. We're going to try the strawberry flavor. We bought these last night. I've never had this before, so I'm really excited to try it out because I saw that on TikTok they were going viral. Not the Baskin Robbins, but just the mochi ice cream. So yeah, we're going to open it. Let's see.
Cute in size or cute in look?
Look. It tastes like a strawberry milkshake.
Really?
It tastes like a frozen strawberry milkshake. It's delicious though. It's refreshing and flavorful. Not too sweet also.
try. Red is also gonna try hers.
Oh, what's inside? It has a thing.
Here's the inside. Sa villain. Sandali sa ngala.
What's this raspberry?
Yes. So it's basically ice cream or a sorbet wrapped in rice cakes. And then I think this is icing sugar. The white stuff is watching. What do you think?
I don't like raspberry, but the filling is good.
It's nice and creamy. So yeah, it's good. Anyways, we want to go out for late lunch first. We're going to have shabu shabu. And then after that, I'm going to head to the bus terminal to get a bus back to the village.
With a nice unboxing.
With a very, very special unboxing. I haven't forgotten. I need to unbox the camera. Yesterday, or last night rather, I didn't get time. We got back, I was so tired. So I just showered and went straight to bed. So I will unbox it when I get to my house.
This and this, no?
Yes.
And you must get that if you want
Get
more, you can
shrimp.
get-
Okay.
It's vlog quality, no?
Well, this place is so nice. Okay, now we're dishing up. These are the different ingredients. Now we're going to dish up. What we have so far in the bowl. Ooh, so pretty. Then these are more sides. More sides, more sides. It's sides galore here. Okay, so this is all that I got.
This is what I'll be craving.
They have my favorite fruit. Amalichi. This is my favorite fruit. This shabu shabu is so delicious. Oh my goodness. So good. We are done eating and I'm currently waiting for a taxi. I've decided to take a taxi to my bus terminal because I don't want to take a subway. It's just going to be too much admin. My suitcase is heavy. I don't want to deal with that. So I'm going to take a taxi. And then, yeah, I will see you when I get to the bus terminal. Say goodbye to Yvette. Yvette, say bye to the vlog.
Bye. Bye, vloggy. I'll see you guys.
Yeah, guys, we will see Yvette very soon. The taxi, I think it's like 2 minutes away. So yeah, we will talk a bit later. Bye, 친구.
It's so heavy.
Bye. I'm gonna miss you.
어서오세요.
네, 안녕하세요.
Hey loves, so today is D-Day. We are unboxing the camera. So I bought it from the Hyundai department store. Ooh, so I got the Osmo Pocket 3. I got the Creators Combo box together. Wait, how do I even open this? Oh, there we go. Hectic. Okay, so first up we have this bag for the pouch. This is how it looks like. Guys, so this is the whole kit. This is the inside. So we have the camera. We have the camera. Oh my goodness. We have the camera. I can't even see. These are the settings. Anyways, loves, this is the camera. I just need to figure out the settings. I'm gonna go through the manual and then I will see how to use it. But there's also another box. I'm not sure what this is. I am so happy that I finally have a camera. I have been wanting a camera for the longest of time. I also remember when my friend and I were in Suwon at the Starfield Library, and we were just window shopping and we came across a DJI store. I even remember I took a clip of that, and it is included in one of my vlogs. And I remember I wrote from my lips to God's ears, but internally I made a mental note to myself that once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm definitely investing in a camera. And that's exactly what I did. Okay, so I manifested everything into existence. I'm so grateful for you loves support. Yeah, and I've been thanking you all throughout this vlog. Thank you so much for the support. I'm so happy that we finally have a camera. She is an absolute beauty. I just need to figure out how to use it. But once I get the hang of it, it's over. Anyways, love, see you soon. Bye.